Okay, students, let's go ahead and combine these four numbers that have 2 digits in each number, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to start with 73 and 86. We're going to chunk that first. So we're going to add 73 plus 86, okay? Use your grid. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And 8 plus 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you're going to put your 1 under your new groups below, and then you're going to put a 5. Okay, so you get 159. So now what we're going to add is we're going to add 43. We're going to add this chunk together. Okay, we're going to add 43 plus 24. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so now you're going to get those two answers and you're going to combine them. Okay, we'll put the big number on top. So we'll put 159 plus 67. Okay, so we've got our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Okay. 9 plus 7 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to put our 6 under our ones and then put our new group below for 16. 6 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the new group below, 12. Okay, so put your new group below again in the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my answer, when I chunked it, is 226. Okay, let's try another one. Let's chunk the first two numbers. So we're going to add 61 plus 80. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. And then 6 plus 8, well, let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I made 6 dots right there. I added 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, so here for the first two numbers, I got 141. Now I need to go add 12. So I'm going to add, let me see where I could do this. I could do this right here. 141 plus 12, okay? Line up your numbers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then just bring down your 1. So your answer is 153. Okay? Let's do the same thing for these. I'm going to add the first two numbers. I'm going to add 39 plus 20. So I'm going to add 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, okay? So we got 59. So now we're going to add the last number to 59. So write 59 plus 11. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9, 10. Do your new group below. 5, 6, and your new group, 7. So your answer here is 70, okay? So you're going to add 2 at a time and then combine them. Okay, let's go to the next question. Teddy has a collection of coins. Which of these best shows the amount of Teddy's collection of coins? Well, let's label our coins. We know the first one is 25 cents. We have a penny. Here we have a dime, another dime. Here, 2 pennies, a nickel, 25 cents, a quarter, a penny, and the last 2 I have here that I'm labeling are 10 cents. Okay? Make sure you have your money labeled correctly so that when we add the amounts, we'll have the correct amount, okay? We're going to add the 25 and the 25 together first because they're the greatest value. So 25 plus 25 is 50. So I'm going to put 50, okay? Then I'm going to add the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to add the tens, which is 40. Then I'm going to add the 1, 5 that's there. Okay? Then I'm going to add all my ones together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'm going to add the first two numbers together. 50 plus 40, we know that equals 90. 90, and then plus, we can add the 5 and the 4 together. Just like we did a while ago, we can chunk it. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So when you add 90 plus 9, you should get 99 cents. And we know they're cents because these are coins. So these are not dollars, these are cents. So when you go look for your answer, you're going to pick letter G. The reason why you do not want letter F is because you cannot put the dollar sign and the cent sign together. Okay? This is incorrect. And then here, if you're putting 9.9, that represents that you have $9.90. So the correct way is 99 cents. Okay? This equals 99 cents. This is the correct answer. So this is meant to trick you. So be careful, okay? Let's look at the next question. Which statement describes what happens when you spend money, okay? So when you spend money, your bank account decreases, right? So let's look at what happens. Spending usually always deals with subtracting money. Your balance goes down, okay? The amount of money decreases. Yeah, that sounds right. Decreases is the same thing as subtracting. The amount of money you have stays the same. Well, no, because if you spend, you're actually subtracting, so no. The amount of money you have increases? No, it doesn't increase, it decreases. So the correct answer here, when you spend money, what happens? The amount of money you have decreases. Okay, let's go to number 8. Beto saved each week to buy his favorite game. He opened a savings account at the bank. Each week, he added money that he earned doing chores into his savings account. So he would not spend his money, he would actually add his money. So when you add money to your bank account, you deposit money. Okay? Remember we talked about deposits and withdrawals? When you deposit money, you put money into the bank. So that symbol represents addition. When you take out money to buy something from the bank, you're actually subtracting money from your amount. Okay, so that symbol represents subtraction. So let's look at the answer choices. Which of the following describes Beto adding money to his savings account? He's making a deposit. Yes. If he's adding money, is he spending? No, he's saving it. He's making a withdrawal? No, he's not spending it. He's saving it. So he's adding it to his bank account. He's depositing. So that would be letter F.